If you've ever wondered how to convert a Canva file to Photoshop without completely ruining the quality, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the cleanest way to move your Canva design into Photoshop so you can keep working on it as a proper editable project. This is super useful if you started a design in Canva, but now you want more advanced editing options in Photoshop. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this video helps you, and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel grow, and it lets you find more tips like this in the future. Alright, let's jump in. The first step is to export your design from Canva the right way. Open your design in Canva and look for the share button in the top right corner. Click it, then choose download. Now, this part is important. In the file type dropdown, select PDF print. Choosing PDF print is the best option because it helps preserve text layers and graphic shapes in a cleaner format instead of flattening everything into a low quality image. Click download and save the PDF file to your computer. Now you've got the Canva file in a format that Photoshop can open much more effectively. Now let's move into Photoshop. Launch Adobe Photoshop on your computer, then go up to File and choose Open. Find the PDF file you just downloaded from Canva and open it. Photoshop will show you an import PDF window, and this is where you can control how the file comes in. First, choose the page or pages you want to import. If your Canva file only has one page, this part is simple. If it has more than one page, select the one you need. Next, look for the crop to setting. For the best results, choose media box or bounding box so Photoshop keeps the original canvas dimensions as accurately as possible. Then set the resolution. If you want high quality print results, go with 300 pixels per inch. If you're just making digital graphics for the web, 150 pixels per inch is usually enough and can make the file lighter and easier to work with. After that, make sure the mode matches the color space you picked in Canva. So if you exported in RGB, keep it in RGB. If you exported in CMYK, match that here too. When everything looks correct, click OK. Photoshop will now open the Canva PDF and start converting it into a usable document. Once it loads, take a look at the Layers panel. Depending on how the design was built, some elements may come in as separate layers, while others may be grouped in a way that still gives you useful structure. This is one of the biggest advantages of exporting as PDF print first, because it gives Photoshop a much better chance of keeping your layout organized. If any of the vector shapes or text elements look a little jagged, or if you want to preserve their quality while editing, right-click that layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This helps protect the quality of the design and makes it safer to resize without losing clarity. Now that the file is inside Photoshop, you can continue editing just like any other project. You can adjust text, move elements around, refine colors, add effects, or combine the Canva design with Photoshop tools for a more advanced finish. The final step is to save your work as a Photoshop file. Go to File, then choose Save As. In the File Type dropdown, select Photoshop, which is the PSD format, and save it to your computer. Saving it as a PSD keeps your Photoshop layers and editing options intact, so you can return to the project later and make changes whenever you need to. And that's it. You've just learned how to convert a Canva file to Photoshop the right way while keeping as much quality and structure as possible. If this tutorial saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.